Hello. Today we're going to go over how to set up a manual list in Pulse Marketing. And we do this here under the Lists button within the marketing site. And we're going to create a new list. So we'll label this kind of explaining whatever the group is that we're dealing with, possibly new buyers, no credit, new credit situations, whatever kind of descriptor you want to use here. But it should basically tell you what kind of people we're dealing with, or we want to add to this group. Now here we're going to choose our branch that we want to deal with for those files. You can use any combination of branches, and in the event you only have main branch, go ahead and select that one. In this site we have a couple of branches, so I'm just going to choose the Atlanta branch. Now we can also assign this to different emails right here, just like we can with any of our list setups. I'm going to just make a couple of selections here for some 6 tips, some pre-approval advantages, choose that one, and credit repair referral, borrower, co-borrower, as just a pre-assign. If you need help setting up the template, you can refer to our other videos on how to walk through the template setup, but here we're just going to make those selections and move on to actually adding our recipients. So here again we're going to choose our branch for the people that we want to add to this list. Maybe we want to just choose our prospect and processing folders within this branch, so that we only look at those people to add to this list as we're setting it up. We'll have the ability to add people over time, either through the CRM, or you can come back in and edit this list, but this is just for the initial setup. So we'll choose a couple of our files here that we know that we want to add right away. So those 5 here, and then we'll go all the way down, hit next, and that adds those 5 people that we chose to this list. Now I can go back in and add more if I need to, and I can go through our list and edit this list to again come back to this screen right here where I can remove if I need to, or add additional recipients. But I'm just going to hit finish because those are the people that I'd like in this particular list. And so this list is now set up and assigned to those emails I chose. So we have these which I've already set up and are ready to go based on my own choices and time frame and everything like that for the media that we've set up. Now over time you may want to have your loan officers or processors or other people using the CRM site add to this list for their particular clients, since they'll know, if they meet that group requirement. So over on our CRM site, if we go into one of our files here, maybe this particular file here, this guy's a new buyer, and we want to add him to this new buyers list. We'll go to the marketing tab here, and we have all these lists that are telling us what kind of group or what type of client we would generally like to add to this, and we can preview the content that's already assigned to it. So here's my 6 tips email that I chose. Here's the co-borrower version, which the only thing that really changes in our setup is that code right there where we're inserting their name. And then I have pre-approval for the borrower. Again, same content, just different insert for the co-borrower. And then this other one we're just sending to the borrower, which is a credit checkup. And the co-borrower one as well. So 6 emails in total, all set up from the marketing side of things, which again you can refer to our template setup video to review on how to go through those. But this is what your loan officers will see and decide, does this client need to get these content? If so, we'll close this preview window and we'll mark the box. Now we get the message here that the data has been saved. So John Bellissimo is now added to this particular list. So if I go back in, I will see that Mr. Bellissimo is right here. His file has been added. So depending on who these emails are set up to go to, borrower, co-borrower, or agents, or anything like that. Anybody in this file will be eligible to receive it at the appropriate times that we've scheduled. If you have any issues with this, let us know. But again, this is how to set up a manual list in Pulse Marketing.